Hey, CraigerCoClassic here. What's up, Fort Hunter World? What's up, all the groups? What's up, Still Beauties? I'm here in Springfield, Missouri at a small show. I just decided to come by and do a quick Facebook Live here. A bunch of different makes and models of this show. It's a Mother's Brewery out downtown Springfield. And that guy must be the owner of the truck. Hey, nice truck. I'm going to do a quick walk around. You guys just enjoy yourselves. Let me know if you guys want to see anything as I pass by, and I'll come back and take a look at it. Again, this is all makes and models, so enjoy it. Hey man, you want to tell me about your truck a little bit?
Yeah.
What do you got?
All right.
1966? 67. I think I've seen it before. You've been to a few shows around here, haven't you?
Yeah, thanks for bringing
What's
it.
the engine?
300.
For lunch. Yeah, a lot of torque, no horsepower. The old school way.
Rattles a lot.
Heck yeah. They go forever. I've heard people like forget to pull and it goes kind of thing. It's crazy. What'd you do to the back end there?
It's got bags on the back.
Flip this around. Yeah. So you gonna do anything to the front?
Yeah,
Bags, I assume, or?
A drop beam on it.
Okay. You gonna bag it? I've seen a couple people do that. It's. I mean, it's like a couple metal pieces. I don't think it's the best maybe system set up for the I-beam, but yeah, pretty cool, man.
Yeah, there's a little drop beam on it.
What color is that? Do you know?
I have no idea.
So how'd you get a hold of it?
I bought it off of a guy here in town about 4 years ago. 3 years ago.
I think I saw you at the OTC.
Washington State.
Okay. I think I saw you at the OTC show, if I remember. Like last year, maybe, or something like that. You don't bring it out much. I go to almost all the shows around here.
No, I don't drive as much as I should.
Yeah.
It's a shame.
You got any future plans for it?
No, not really.
Just kind of enjoy it, huh? I like that.
It the way it is. It's all right.
You know,
I may pull the engine out and re-gasket everything because
it's
pees all over the driveway.
and stuff. Yeah.
Pull the engine and paint it.
That's cool, man. Well, hey, are you on Fort Hunter World or anything? Are you on Facebook? Yeah. Cool. Well, this is where it's going to be, so if you want to look at it, okay? I'm starting here. I'm just kind of doing a walk around of everything, but yeah. You should post more pictures of this. I don't think I've really seen it on there once now that I'm thinking about it. It's probably the only bright turquoise truck that's patina-ish. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Look at that, Brian.
All right, man. Thank you so much. I should do a video on it sometime. I think that would be fun.
Anytime.
All right, buddy.
Send me a message.
I will. See ya. Type stuff. I want to go over to that Continental here in a second. Yeah, I didn't drive it today. I have so much stuff to do, but I was like, I gotta go to the show because I love it, you know. It's not as big this year. Last year was real full.
I didn't come last year.
Oh man, yeah. Yeah, last year there was I'm trying to think who's all here. There was a lot more cars here. They do like first come, first serve.
They ran a bunch of people off because they made everybody line out in a row.
Is that it?
And let anybody until 12.
12?
Yeah, so there was people lined
Why
out.
12?
There were people who said they were parked here since 9 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, well, they said it was first come, first serve. So people came early thinking first come, first serve. 12, really? Yeah, that's probably why half of them are gone. Yeah.
I say a lot of people left.
Oh, man. Mothers, you guys do not have to do that anymore. See you, man. Let's go look at this. I didn't bring my gimbal, so it's a little bouncy. Impala? Yeah, Impala, nice. Yeah, I just last minute decided to come to this show. I got a bunch of stuff I need to do today, and you know how it goes. One of the local car club cars. That is a beautiful Continental, my gosh. What's up? Say hi to Facebook Live. Hey. I need to like get a gimbal and just leave it in my car for these sporadic car show sudden decisions. Here's a nice. Oh man, what year is this? You guys help me out. What year is this? Cool Jeep. I think that's what it is. Overland Willie with a Jeep. Put a Vortec motor in it. I would have decided something else. Oh, cool. Definitely don't take this mudding anymore. $52? I was gonna guess 53, but I'm not a professional on that body style. I will, man. Hey Randall, I got big plans for that show, man. You better make sure to be there. Oh man, look at that blower. You guys are good. Go right ahead. Oh man, it was really. Cars suddenly got real thick over here. I don't know how they're gonna get out, but okay. It's a nice SS Chevy Nova, 77 Trans Am. Ah yes. Look at this thing. This is right up. This is a car after my own heart. Hey, there's a random Ranger for you guys. Looks like it's heavy on the Chevy Mini Slam trucks. Let me go over here. Hi.
I just opened
Ooh. Right, you don't see those Rivieras much. Nice, that is California Special GT. This is probably one of the rarest models, I think. Man, I'm picking up kind of hard to tell if the thing's got 19. Hey, there it is, 1968.
Shut up and sit down.
This is 455. Oh man, Dodge Dart. Back when Swinger meant something totally different. probably the cleanest. 2014, I don't know what it is. I'm liking all the SS's though, I'll be honest with you. Of course, look at that Riviera. There you go, Michael. That thing's nice. Let's take a quick look at it. I'm gonna tuck these in tight. Whoop, I'm gonna drop my phone. Hey guys, this car's for sale. But if anybody wants it. It's owned by Craig Jones. It's a 1960 Studebaker Lark. Very cool. Alrighty. Ooh. A lot of imports here. It's a pretty cool looking Subaru. Oh yeah, it's a Scout. Sorry, thank you.
Yeah, you can't do a lot of things we like doing on the lake.
What's up, Michael? You're on Facebook Live. How you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
Here's your bike.
Here it is.
You guys seen it before?
Yeah, I made it out.
You did. You're the only one that made it here out of the
I
club.
know, apparently.
We all checked out, I guess.
You know, it's only the show where I met all you guys, so whatever.
Yeah, whatever, right? Oh wow, you added the shield. I don't think I saw that last time.
I hardly bring it out, so
Oh, okay.
hold on, I got it.
There you go. New Ground Car Club, guys. Representing Springfield area, Lebanon. 417.
You know, he's got everything he needs to have.
Yeah, that don't work. Shit. That don't work in Missouri. Missouri don't care.
Man, I expected it to be bigger today.
I think they packed them in tighter.
Well, they said that people showed up at like 7 a.m., but they were sitting out
Oh yeah, they
till
were
noon.
They were
Like,
lined up. Yeah, no, they didn't open till noon.
was it like that last year?
No,
Yeah, why'd they do that?
they lined them up down the street all the way down. Like,
Man, jeez.
I cruised in at 11. They let me sit in here.
Really?
Yeah.
You're small, I guess, for a motorcycle.
Yeah, I've been in the shade ever since.
That's cool. You got the good spot here.
Oh yeah,
Well, hey, man, I might swing back by.
All right, man.
See ya.
One day we were sitting in the lake and he said, I think I'm gonna get a
Ted Adams Racing. That thing's a runner. Alrighty, guys. That's the show. Looks like we're expecting more people. Good show, though. Recommend it. I don't know what's happening here. Good show. I recommend it. Coming out here, it's got a little bit of everything. They serve beer here, so that's nice. Mother's Brewery. They also have a couple food trucks. I think they do a lot of prizes, just like normal shows and everything. It was great last year. Wasn't able to make it out this year with my truck, and yeah, recommend it. Yeah, tell me if you guys like these Facebook Live things, even though they're not one make or model, and I'll keep doing them. All right, see you guys.
Make sure it is visible if you guys want to be judged for the full point. I'm not here to beat around the bush. I want you guys to make sure you guys are participating.